Hey guys, I'm Henry from FISCH Racing Tech, and today we're going to show you how to install a differential brace on a Mazda RX7 FD. Most of you probably know that this car comes with a differential brace from factory that connects the snout of the differential with the transmission. But if you're swapping a different transmission setup into this car, whether it be a CD009 or a T56 or anything else, you need to replace that OEM differential brace with an aftermarket one. And that's what our product is. Let's get started by removing the OEM differential brace. And that's a wrap for this FISCH Racing differential brace installed on this RX7 FD. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Send us an email, give us a call, message us on Instagram, or follow us for any product updates. Thanks guys.